Welcome to the 12th class Political Science, chapter number 1. The chapter name is Challenges of Nation Building. This is a picture of Hindus and Muslims in Kolkata in 1917, marked the end of communal violence by jointly flying the flags of India and Pakistan from trucks patrolling the city. This rare photograph captured the joy of freedom and the tragedy of partition in India and in Pakistan. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the challenges of nation building when India got freedom, when the partition was done. See now, at the hour of midnight on 14-15 August 1947, India attained independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Free India, addressed a special session of the Constituent Assembly that night. This was the famous Tryst with Destiny. This speech was called Tryst with Destiny, that you are familiar with. On 14-15 August at the midnight, we got independence, and at that time, Prime Minister of Free India, Jawaharlal Nehru, has given the speech that was known as Tryst with Destiny. This was the moment Indians had been waiting for. You have read in your history textbooks that there were many voices in our national movement. But there were two goals almost everyone agreed upon. One, that after independence we shall run our country through democratic government. This was the moment. Moment means independence. We were waiting for. And we have read about that there were many voices in our national movement. And we have two goals. Everyone agreed upon them. One was that after independence we shall run our country through democratic government. पहला गोल ये था कि हम अपनी सरकार को प्रजातांत्रिक सरकार बनाएंगे. And second was that the government will be run for the good for all. Government सबके लिए काम करेगी, particularly the poor and the socially disadvantaged group. खास तौर से गरीबों के लिए और सामाजिक रूप से पिछड़े हुए वर्गों के लिए. Now that the country was independent, the time had come to realize the promise of freedom. Because now country has got independence, so time has come, we have to realize the promise of freedom. This was not going to be easy. इतना आसान नहीं था. India was born in a very difficult circumstances. Perhaps no other country by then was born in a situation more difficult than that of the India in 1947. शायद ही कोई ऐसा देश ऐसी परिस्थिति से गुजरा हो जैसा कि भारत. हमें आज़ादी आसानी से नहीं मिली थी. It came in difficult circumstances. Freedom came with the partition of the country. जो ये हमें स्वतंत्रता मिली थी वो पार्टीशन से मिली थी. The year 1947 was a year of unprecedented violence and trauma of displacement. 1947 का ईयर हिंसा का और डिस्प्लेसमेंट का एक विध्वंस था. डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन्स विस्थापन का दर्द था. It was in this situation that independent India started on its journey to achieve several objectives. Yet the turmoil that accompanied independence did not make our leaders lose sight of the multiple challenges that faced the new nation. फिर भी हमारे नेताओं ने एक नए नेशन ने जो चीज़ें फेस की थी, जो मल्टीपल चैलेंजेस फेस करने थे, उनसे अपनी आंखें नहीं उठाई थी. It means that we have a great challenges in front of us after being independent. This is the picture of the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru speaking from the Red Fort on 15 August 1947. This is first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru speaking from the Red Fort on 15 August 1947. Displacement and rehabilitation. On 14-15 August 1947, not one but two nation story states came into existence. दो राष्ट्र बने, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. दिस वॉज द रिजल्ट ऑफ पार्टीशन. ये पार्टीशन का रिजल्ट था. द डिवीजन ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया इनटू इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान. The drawing of the border demarcating the territory of each country marked the culmination of political developments that you have read about in the history textbook. According to the two-nation theory, what was this two-nation theory? What was it two-nation theory? द्विराष्ट्र सिद्धांत क्या था? Advanced by the Muslim League. ये मुस्लिम लीग के द्वारा दिया गया था. India consisted of not one but two people. By the Hindus and Muslims. इंडिया एक नहीं था बल्कि दो थे, लोग हिंदू और मुस्लिम. That is why it demanded Pakistan a separate country for the Muslims. इसलिए इस थ्योरी ने मुस्लिम्स कंट्री की एक सेपरेट नेशन की डिमांड की. दैट वाज पाकिस्तान. द कांग्रेस अपोज दिस थ्योरी एंड द डिमांड फॉर पाकिस्तान. कांग्रेस ने इस थ्योरी को अपोज किया और पाकिस्तान की डिमांड की. बट सेवरल पॉलिटिकल डेवलपमेंट्स इन 1940s, द पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन बिटवीन द कांग्रेस एंड द मुस्लिम लीग एंड द ब्रिटिश रूल लेड टू द डिसीजन फॉर द क्रिएशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान. But several political developments, that is in 1940s, political competition between Congress and the Muslim League and the British rule led to the decision for the creation of Pakistan. So British rule, British की जो भूमिका रही थी, that was the creation of the Pakistan. So in this way partition was done. In the next video we will come to know about the process of partition. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.